This video will demonstrate general navigation of the A-dec S76 surgical light. Let's get started. The S76 surgical light has a simple and intuitive user experience. The user can navigate to and adjust light modes, settings, and save preferences by using the LCD touchscreen at the top of the light head. The S76 surgical light has two modes. Standard mode, which is used for general dentistry, represented by the tooth icon, and surgical mode, represented by the mask icon. This image shows the standard mode active. Modes can only be toggled when the light is turned off. Note, on the S76 user interface, the buttons or icons with a blue border and a white background are active. Dark gray buttons are options available for selection, and light gray buttons indicate a feature that is not available for selection in the current mode. To turn on the S76 light, use the button on the bottom left-hand corner. To toggle color temperature, press the color temperature button. The selected color temperature will be displayed on the button. To activate Cure Safe mode, press the Cure Safe button. To exit Cure Safe mode, press the Cure Safe button again. To adjust intensity, press or hold the plus or minus buttons. The intensity level is displayed at the top of the screen. To turn off the S76 light, use the power button on the bottom left-hand corner. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.